In this episode, we will set inline style with style property. We have already applied inline style in the element using style property like background color, text color, and so on. In most cases, we style elements using external CSS, but there will be times when we will use JavaScript to modify element styles. For example, we can show or hide this list item using this toggle button. First, let's select this toggle button. I will create a variable toggle btn and use document.querySelector and select the class toggle btn. Then add event listener. So add toggle btn.add event listener, add a click event and a callback function. Inside this function, we need to select the list item. If you open index.html, it has the class called list. So add the variable list items, then use document.querySelector, select the class list. Now let's hide them using list items dot style dot display equals none. Take the preview, click the button, and the list item is now hidden. Now there is no option to show the list item. What we need to do is, if we click on this button, the list item should be hidden. Again, if we click on this button, the list item should be visible. So yes, we need an if statement. So here, add if else statement. Inside the condition, add list items dot style dot display is strictly equal to none. We need to add display block for the list item, so add list items dot style dot display equals block. Otherwise, we need to add list items dot style dot display equals none. I will remove this code, check the preview, and this time if you click on this button, the list item is hidden. Again, if you click on this button, the list item is visible. However, there is one more thing we need to fix. When the list item is hidden, we need to change the text of this toggle button from hide list to show list. We can use the text content property to fix them. So in the if statement, add toggle btn dot text content equals hide list. In the else statement, add toggle btn dot text content equals show list. Take the preview again. This time, everything works as expected. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a new element and add them to the DOM. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.